These viral AI car painting videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now and pulling an insane number of views. And now watch what I had created in 2 minutes. Here is full method how you can create these for free. First, all you need is this master prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy this whole master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Select your desired aspect ratio and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Now come to designated object and color section in the prompt. Here you can type any car you want, and there is designated section for its color also. For example, I'm going with black BMW M4. Now click Generate. Wait a few seconds while Google Flow creates your car painting video. Here it is. Now let's watch the full result together. You can create endless variations using this with any car you like. If this video helped you, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niche.